Lug nuts are 22 millimeters. And we'll torque them down. I'm going 100 first. Get them drawn up evenly. And now I'm going to go to 120. Now I'm going to check. Okay, lug nuts are on. The cap. Cap's a little trickier. I do it by hand so I can feel the click. When you spin them, just get them up snug first. That's the trick, just getting them up where you can just get them up there first. So you get them up snug. So now they're all up snug. I'm just doing it with one hand, just getting them up where I feel they stop. Okay? Now I'll take my hand and I'll turn it like this. And I'll feel a click. And they'll just get tight as I'm doing it. So if I feel that they're snug, I'll go all the way around and make sure they're all snug, because I felt a click and I went past it until they got tight. And you'll feel that next click. There's your next click. It's not real super tight. There is no torque specifications for them, except for as tight as I can get them with my wrist. I'm not really cranking them down though, I'm just getting them snug, good and tight with my wrist. You'll feel when they get tight. And they kind of click in too. But you want to feel when you're turning it, I put my hand like this so that way I can feel that they're tight. You go any beyond that, they'll strip out. But if you put a little oomph on them, you'll feel that they're all good. I'll try to see if there's torque specs on them, but there really isn't. It's about the best I can describe for you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for me giving you all the information. It really helps me out. I appreciate it. Seems YouTube's up in their standards and everything. And, you know, as far as getting some return on giving out the free information. Appreciate all you guys' time. Thanks for watching Sam Time. Save all your money.